Okay, let me bring you through what I explained to the students as for the first try on their stop motion animation. I give them just a touch of how to use the app, and I let them discover most of it. So we find the app, which is Stop Motion Studio, and I bring them into it to begin with, maybe on the board or verbally. Verbally would be fine too for today. I hit the plus button and that brings me into my stop motion. Now, we don't have anything going on underneath here. I just have this flat for us to talk about it today. But this is basically what I tell them. In order to take the picture, I give them the setup and I say, hit the red button. That puts a picture down below. Move your objects down below. You take another picture. Move your objects down below, take another picture. Now, that's it. That's all I tell my students. The reason I do this is because they are so excited to try this, they're not going to listen to anything I have to say. I let them go create their project so that they can come back. We look at everybody's artwork, and then we discuss what we could improve for our final time taking the stop motion animation. We also come up with a lot of discoveries, so the students are able to show the rest of the class something called an onion skin over here, or something like if they made mistakes, they will discover how to delete an image. And if they don't, you'll pick up the holes that they've missed. You'll be able to explain to them what they've missed with this app. Okay, so let me repeat that again. On day one, this is all we're doing. This is it. I show them the setup. I set up the chairs. I set up the one station at least so that they can see how they are expected to set up their station. I show them the app, but in very, very minimal explanation. I tell them to go. I set the timer for, 20 minutes. I give them instructions to keep working for that entire 20 minutes. Then when the 20 minutes is done, I have everybody bring the iPads up to me, and we either AirDrop or AirPlay or a hardwire in their iPads so that we can watch every single one. As a group, we critique. We talk about the problems. We talk about the solutions. I guarantee many of your students will have already figured out how to fix some of the problems that will occur. If they are missing some of those ideas for correction, that's where you come in. You fill in the holes, you fill in the gaps. You have this wonderful discussion so that they are prepared to create the best stop motion animation the following time in your class.